Why is it that cats are so prevalent here? There's so many of them. So many. Look at perfect bed. The perfect bed for a cat. Mirak, thank you so much for the prime. Why are there so many cats in Istanbul?
I think the Turkish people like them and they are getting more in Istanbul.
Okay.
Actually, not especially in Istanbul.
It's everywhere.
Yes, in Turkey, Turkish people loves the cats.
Yeah? So out of all the places I've ever been, this place has the most cats. Look, there's so many of them. They're everywhere. And they're all nice.
Yes, they don't
right?
running.
They don't run. Yeah. They don't try to bite you or scratch you.
Some of one is crazy actually.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. Well, you could be crazy.